MemberPress is an excellent membership plugin for WordPress, but it's somewhat lacking in the reporting functionality department. Now, this deficiency is actually an opportunity for developers, and I've availed myself of that opportunity to create member listings, private protected member listings for some of my clients who have MemberPress membership sites. Here's a view of the member listings page for the Southeastern Bluegrass Association's membership site. I have encrypted the content on this in this table for the purposes of this presentation, but trust me, the admins who can view this page can actually see those names and email addresses. As we look across the column headings, well, it's very simple and basic. Let me explain some of these fields. A sequential number, the user ID, name, membership type icon, membership type phrase, the date they first registered, the most recent transaction, whether this is a new registration or a renewal, when the membership expires or renews, how many days, the gateway, check or PayPal, just a little visual indicator that it is an auto renewal here, email address, username, telephone, edit user link, and view transaction link. One of the common uses of this view is for admins of the website and others who have access to provide customer service responses to typical inquiries. A common inquiry they might receive is, listen, I just received a notification that my membership is expiring next week, but I thought I renewed it last month. This screen gives the admins and the membership assistants an easy view to find answers to those questions. We can scroll down here and you'll see currently 116 members. And then there's an area up top with several expandable sections: instructions, notes about dates, filter by membership, filter by payment type, and sort. Let me take a couple of minutes to show you those. Filter by membership. Right now, all memberships are selected. If we click on SEBA personal memberships, now there are 105 in the filter. Let's change that to business memberships. There are 11. Let me reset that to all. And this time let me filter by payment method. PayPal. 52. Check. 63. This view could be particularly helpful for board members and admins of the website to try to encourage people, incentivize them to enroll using the online PayPal method, because it's just too labor intensive to be paying by check. But this organization still has an awful lot of members who are paying by check. Now, one way that could be done is you filter by check and then sort. And if we sort by the expires, renews, what we can see here is that a few members who are paying by check will be expiring very soon, and this listing allows the people who administer this website to go ahead and either call, just a clickable link, or email this person and maybe send a friendly message saying, hey, encrypted, I understand I see that you're expiring in just a few days. Won't you please consider using our online PayPal method to renew? In the event that someone inquired about their most recent transaction, or why they seem to be getting notifications that they're going to expire when they thought they paid, you can click on, the admins can click on the view transaction link, and by doing that you get to see, let me show you this. I'll click on this, and that would load the transactions page inside the dashboard for that particular member. In this case, it's my business membership that you see here. And then, of course, the people who are using this view could edit the transaction, change it, and see all about it. That is the long and the short of this listing. And let me show you now how I actually display it on the front end. Here is the page that displays that listing. You see here is some basic content and a short code, JC Members. That's the key to things. Let me show you this in text mode. I'm using the details and summary elements to create the toggle accordion, then just basic text, and then finally this JC Members. Let me show you the code that generates the output for that shortcode. This file, which is included in the MU plugins folder, has 11 functions, and they do all the heavy lifting. The first of which is getting the active transactions, and I'm not going to go into detail here. I'll just scroll down here and give you an idea. A lot of PHP and referencing MemberPress and WordPress functions. So that's it for now. If you would like more details on how I did some of this stuff, please don't hesitate to enter that into the comment section. Thanks for watching.